Good afternoon, everyone. Today we have with us Surendra Kumar Gautam, sir, from Shri Rawatpura Sarkar University, HoD of Life Science Department. How are you, sir?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm also fine, sir. Shall we start with the questions, sir?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. My first question to you: you held a key position at the educational institute throughout your professional career. What keeps you connected with the education sector, and how was your experience with the institute?
Okay. In the teaching profession, I have 8 to 9 years of the experience, and I have found that the most of the students who are not eligible for the getting the proper education. So I want to I want the initiative to take the student who are not able, but we can promote them for the complete their education throughout the any kind of institution. Now in the Rawatpura Sarkar University, I have found that most of the students which are admitted, they are in the poor background also, and they are also living in the village area. So they are getting the advanced facility which is provided by our institute, and they get the equal educational skills which is gated by some other rich students also. So that is the good thing, and I have found that the Rawatpura University are going to be do several extracurricular activity also, which can be develop the educational skill to these students.
Okay, sir. According to your question, by continuing through the questions, I want to ask what are the type of extracurricular activity you take in the university level at the another level also?
Okay, that extracurricular activity like to participation in the quiz related to the research criteria, because in our university we are also running the PhD program for the research. Okay, so in the undergraduate and graduate level, we are promoting the student to get research orientated through some small projects, some internships. We are also motivated the student for the get the some other institutional opportunity to get the exposure for the research. So recently I have in the MSc dissertation in the 4th semester we have having the curriculum for the dissertation process, and this dissertation process is inter-university is also going on, and it is also motivated to the student to apply the other very good university like Kamraj University in the Andhra Pradesh also, and Manipal University. This is one of the very important. We can say that it is the institute which is number one in the private organization. So they have also exposure during their research activity, internship projects, and also in the inter-university activities. We are organizing several seminars and also guest lectures, and the other activity we have to getting some debate for the student for improving their skill for the leadership also. So that kind of thing is going on continuously in our university.
Okay, sir. I want to ask, being the HoD of Life Science Department, what are your roles and responsibility towards the student?
Yeah, definitely. When we say about as a HoD, I want to, I'm not trying. We can say I am going to be going through all the academic activities. Will go through proper way, which also enhance the all facility provided to the student to improve their skill in the education research, and also they get the bright future in their particular career. Okay, in the life science, most of the students are not actually. This is the truth of the education. Most of the students which is studying in the undergraduate or graduate program, but they are not having their aim, what they can do. So we are also trying to understand the students how they can prepare their career in the particular field. Mostly in the lab technology, there are several opportunities for the life science student in the lab professional, in the research criteria. If they want to be, generally we have to find that the most of the higher education people are going to the teaching field. Okay, and other than the teaching field, there are some other criteria. They can go through the research also. Okay, there are several research laboratories in the private and government organization. They can also having the job placement for those kind of students. Okay, so we are doing like that, and in our department, I am also we can say that I go through a proper channel for the student to achieve their goals as per their interest and their skill enhancement.
Okay, sir. Sir, what do you see as the greatest strength of Shri Rawatpura Sarkar University?
Okay, in the Rawatpura University, it is the greatest strength is that the most the students have those facilities which is not having the most of the institutions I have seen in the as per my point of view. They have here we are here providing for the student the very research labs also. They have also loaded with the very sophisticated instruments like GelDoc system, then AOS, and also there is a ELISA readers. Okay, and in the spectrophotometer where we can analyze the molecule also. Okay, so we have this kind of facility in our research lab. So that is also a good thing. And one most important thing here it is the environment which is very holistic. Okay, the students get the holistic nature, holistic environment with the natural green form. You can see there are 15,000 mango trees are cultivated in the campus of the Shri Rawatpura University. Okay, so it is very green environment. So you can feel very fresh in the Rawatpura Sarkar University. So that is the good thing.
Okay, sir. Any suggestion you would like to give to current youth?
Okay, there is one suggestion. I have found that most of the students are studying. They can get the certificate and they can get the degree also, but they cannot applying in their life. So most of the studies part which are studying in the books, if they can get their knowledge to apply in their life also, so that is the good. We can say that is the good kind of that is the fruitful study for their life also. Okay, not only study for the getting certificate and mark sheet. You have to apply that knowledge which is getting in their courses also. So that is my one suggestion for the students.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much for the interview. It was nice having you, sir.
Thank you so much.